Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I am going to show you all how I make my keto chili. Yes, it is so cold, so I decided to go ahead and make some keto friendly chili. Yes, first I have half of an onion that I'm going to cut up. Now you can use a whole onion, but I'm going to use half of an onion. Next, I'm going to go ahead and chop up one whole green bell pepper, and I also have a yellow bell pepper, so you go ahead and chop it up as well. have 3 jalapenos, peppers, and I am going to cut and chop that up also. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after cutting up hot peppers, because you fool around and make a mistake and rub your eye, it will burn. So wash your hands thoroughly. And y'all, please excuse the Band-Aid and the Coban on my thumb. I fooled around and banged my thumb today, so please excuse that. Next, I have some bacon, which I am going to take out 5 slices and cut them into pieces. And y'all, I decided to go ahead and make me a cup of coffee while making this chili on this cold day. Yes, it is cold outside. So I got my bacon all cut up. Now I'm going to place it over in this pot. I am going to fry it until it is golden brown. And now that my bacon is golden brown, I'm sorry y'all, I lost footage of me adding the onions, and I also added garlic. You can use fresh garlic or you can use garlic from a jar, any brand of your choice. So I cooked my onions down until it became, translucent. So I cooked my onions and garlic within the bacon. Next, I'm adding my green and yellow bell pepper plus my jalapenos. Yes, like I said earlier, you can use fresh jalapenos or you can use it from a jar. So I added all that into the pot. And you are going to let this cook down until it becomes softened. I have 2 pounds of ground beef, and I am going to cook it until it is well done. Now that the ground beef is done, let's go ahead and add in 2 cups of beef broth. And I am adding in 1 can of tomato sauce, any brand. I am also adding 2 cans of the Rotel chopped tomatoes and green chilies. I am adding 1 can of tomato paste. And y'all, I love spicy foods, so I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. So I'm just dabbing it in. So it's about 2 tablespoons that I am using. Next, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the chili powder, just 2 tablespoons. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Next, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I am going to use 1 tablespoon of ground oregano, or you can also use the flaky kind. Next and lastly, I am going to use about a teaspoon of black pepper, and I just sprinkled some in. I just didn't want much in there, even though I love spicy foods. Just remember, I got hot sauce over into this pot. So use about a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I am going to cover it and let it do what it do. And now that this chili is done, you guys, and it smells so good, just look at it. This is the keto-friendly chili with the no beans. And y'all, it smells so good. So let's spoon it into a bowl. Okay, you guys, I thought I was recording it when I was spooning it into the bowl. Sorry about that. Now I am going to add what I like into my chili. I'm going to add some sour cream. I'm going to sprinkle on some cheddar cheese and also some green onions. So that's the way I like my chili. Okay, you guys, this is my keto-friendly chili. Yes, y'all, I mean, it was so good. After I ate the first bowl, I had to get another one. It is so good, so tasty, and it tastes just like chili, but without the beans. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe and come back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Comment and thumbs up my videos. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.